Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own hang tags for your clothing business. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So right here I'm going to go ahead and put in the dimensions 2 by 3 inch for our template. So in the beginning I'm just going to go ahead and zoom through because I am showing you a quick way to make a logo. If you guys want to see how to make a logo, go see my previous video. I break it down and show you guys how to make a logo. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a line to divide the logo and what we are going to go ahead and type our sizing. And I'm just going to go ahead and change it to a dotted line instead of just a solid line. And I'm going to go ahead and create it red and orange to match the logo. And right here I'm going to go ahead and add in some text. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and add in some boxes so I can put some text over it. Now I'm about to go ahead and grab a shadow. That way it can help pop out the text box. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and create some check boxes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the shadow to the boxes as well. But they're not really boxes, but squares, but you know. Or ovals.
Haircare, let it be.
And right here I'm going to go ahead and add in like a hole punch at the top. That way you can hole punch whichever one that you want to do. And there you have it. That is how you make a clothing boutique hang tag. If you guys want to see more Canva tutorials, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.